guys, it's Jessica Rosemary. Welcome back to my channel. If you're interested on how I achieved this look, or if you're just interested on the hair itself, then keep on watching. Today we are partnering with Luvme Hair. In their packaging, they sent us some goodies. They sent us a mirror, a headband, a brush for your edges. Luvme Hair sent me their Ombre Brown Deep Wave 13x4 frontal. This unit also have 4C edges, which I love because it's similar to my hair texture. This is HD lace, and the wig also comes with an extra pair of elastic bands, so in case the wig is like really huge for your head, you're able to adjust it and make it fit snug. So after I freshly washed the hair, this is the hair texture, a bit blown out, and this is a close-up of how the texture actually look like, so similar to 4C hair. In my typical install, you guys know I usually cut the lace after it's already laid on my head, but in this install I decided to cut the lace before I lay it because I want to try something different. In between protective styles, be sure to take care of your natural hair. I like to go in and use natural hair creams or hair oils, and underneath the wigs it helps my hair with growth and thickness. Once I'm ready for my install, I like to go in sections with my Ghost Bond. I only use Ghost Bond glue. It's literally the only glue that works for me so far. I've tried like a few others, and Ghost Bond is the only one that I guess I actually like. With every install, I go in with 3 layers of glue, and each layer I like to make it flat as I possibly can, and I find that popsicle sticks helps a lot. Although I went ahead and cut off the extra lace, I still like to apply my wig in 3 sections. It makes the process of laying your wig easier. Any place that we miss, any little piece, any little section, I like to go back with the glue and just add in a little bit. And I like to make sure that the glue is laying flat before I obviously lay it down. So once I'm done laying my lace, I like to go in with edge control or some form of gel. For this look, I use Shine and Jam. To lay your edges, you basically just go in a C shape or a S shape. I prefer to do my edges in the C shape. So after parting my hair to my liking, I went ahead and used KeraCare Wax Stick and my hot comb on its highest heat to make my install as flat as I possibly can. Once you define the deep wave curl pattern, this could be your final step. The hair is gorgeous in its natural state. We're going in with flexi rods so we can get a uniformed or basically like a twist out look. In this clip, I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks naturally. It's beautiful and it just complements brown skin tone, and I love that so much. The products I use before wrapping my hair around the flexi rod is mousse and natural hair cream. To achieve the same look, part your hair into small sections, then wrap your hair tightly around the flexi rods to get the same exact curl pattern. The unraveling process is pretty simple. So once you unravel your hair from the flexi rods, you can stretch out the hair using any type of hair oil. I use the Chi or the Chai, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. But I use the Chi hair oil just to like add a little bit of gloss, nothing too crazy. Before I start stretching out the hair, I like to make sure that all the hair is dried and not damp. Once I stretch the hair to my liking, I like to go back to my middle part, go back with my cream foundation and define the part. Going in with the same shade that's similar to your shade, a shade lighter is more realistic than going in with a concealer that's like 2 times or 3 times your shade. And this is the final outcome. It's so voluminous, so defined, and I love it. I feel like this hairstyle fits me perfectly. It's just so natural, close to my hair texture, which is a plus. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, especially if you watched all the way to the end. And I'll see you soon.